Alright people, Big Ed here doing a video working on the head gaskets for the third time. 93 Harley electric glide. It's my girl Gypsy. She keeps fucking with me. Anyways, I did the back one already. I did the back head gasket and base gasket. Fixing to do this one right here. I just wanted to show you this cylinders and the pistons and the rings were all from a company called Twin Power. I don't know if you can see, but now they got this snap ring kind, which is a lot easier, I think, to take out than those other kind. I don't know why they never used, trying to get the right light. See those snap ring, that snap ring right there? They're a hell of a lot easier to work with than the other kind. Anyways, if you buy a Twin Power, you should have that kind of snap ring. They should have been doing these a long time ago. Anyways, peace out. I'm hoping to get this done by the end of the day. I got some running around I got to do in a little bit. But late.